Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today, we're in the Oregon Dunes with the newest addition to the Diode fleet. Excited to debut 6 new Stage Series lighting kits for the Polaris RZR Pro. If you'd like to learn more detailed information about any of the kits covered in this video, click the playlist at the end of the video or click the description box below. If you aren't already familiar with our Stage Series lineup, all of our pods utilize our TIR optic for unmatched efficiency and light output, along with a powerful main beam. They also include an accent light to make your ride stand out. Each of these kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in the US and bolt directly to factory mounting points and are backed by an 8-year warranty. Let's kick things off with the most iconic kit in this lineup. First up, we have our bolt-on, plug-and-play Stage Series Headlight Kit. The included bracket allows you to mount 3 of our high-performance 6000K cool white SSC1 LED pods in place of your factory headlights, giving you more output and capabilities than the factory lamp. This bracket bolts on easily and is made of heavy-duty powder-coated stainless steel to withstand whatever you throw its way. The 2 outer pods utilize our fog optic and our spot optic. Combining the spot and the fog optics creates a highly functional beam pattern. The spot optic is going to provide a high-intensity beam pattern downrange that can't be outrun, while our fog optic provides an incredible 98-degree spread of light. We've also included an SSC1 with our wide optic for extra off-road light directly in front of the vehicle. Unlike other kits on the market, all 3 of the pods feature an amber backlight, allowing you to retain the factory DRL functionality. Just below our headlight kit, you'll notice our SS3 Bumper Kit. This allows you to mount 2 SS3 LED pods in the lower bumper area using our highly popular Stage Series roll bar mounts. The SS3s included with this kit use our fog or our combo optic, which combines both the driving and flood optics, which comes in either 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow. If you run in dust at all, this is a perfect place to put yellow pods to cut through dust and fog and help you see and continue riding at high speeds. Moving up the RZR, you'll see our Stage Series A-Pillar Kit. This allows you to mount a pair of SS3s or SS5 LED pods to your A-Pillar utilizing factory mounting points. Each option comes in our combo optic that provides a high-intensity output downrange as well as added fill light in front of your RZR. Just like our SS3 Bumper Kit, we offer these in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output, along with an additional ambient backlight. Up top, we've got our SS5 Crosslink Lightbar Kit. Our SS5 Crosslink Lightbar Kit allows you to mount 6 linked SS5 LED pods on top of your roof. You have the option of 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow in our combo beam pattern. In addition to our insanely bright main beam, our SS5s include a built-in selectable backlight with 8 color options for our white pods and a single amber backlight for our yellow pods. These can be easily cycled with the flip of a switch without any extra controllers or wiring. Moving around to the back of the RZR, you'll be able to select from 2 kits, our Stage Series Reverse Light Kit or our Stage Series Chase Light Kit that utilizes our SSC2 LED pods. The Chase Light Kit includes a high-powered yellow dust light and amber backlight to give you more visibility to those riding behind you. The Reverse Light Kit includes a high-powered white reverse and a red accent light. As you can see, these kits produce an unmatched focused output of light along with a stylish and modern appearance. If you're interested in a kit for your RZR or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the newest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.